everyone, welcome to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to share SoundCloud music on Instagram story. Now to begin the process, open the SoundCloud application and get logged in into the account. Once you have been logged in into the account, you play a song or music that you want to share on Instagram. So I'm just gonna play a random song over here. So this is the song that I'm currently playing on my SoundCloud. For me to share this on the Insta story, you tap on the share icon on the bottom option, and from there you will have the option of Insta stories. There you can see at the very beginning audio story. You tap that. It will open your Instagram account which you have been playing on the SoundCloud. You can adjust it over here. Once you're done, you can just tap on your story and the story will get posted on your Instagram right away. So this is how you can share SoundCloud music on Instagram story. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you.